Namaste everyone, I'm Luan from Yoga by Luan. Since Amis is in ashram, I'm invited as a guest teacher to join you guys today. We will do yoga for beginners today, and my English is not so good. I hope you guys understand me. Let's start. So first we will activate the neck area. Close your eyes, keep your back straight, hand on your knees. Inhale, and with exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale to central, exhale head back. Inhale central, exhale chin to chest. Inhale central, exhale head back. 3, inhale, exhale chin to chest. Inhale, exhale head back. Inhale, exhale chin down. Inhale, exhale chin up. 5, inhale, exhale chin down. Inhale, exhale chin up. Inhale central, exhale head to the right. Right ear near right shoulder. Inhale central, exhale to left. Inhale, exhale right. Inhale, exhale left. Inhale, exhale right, and hold here. Breathe normal, and slowly bring the left arm out. Fingers towards the ground, around 45 degrees, and you will feel more stretch from the left neck. 3, 2, 1. Inhale back, and exhale to the left. Slowly bring the right arm out. Fingers towards the ground, around 45 degrees, and breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Now we'll roll the neck. Inhale, and exhale chin down, and turn the neck to the right. Then inhale up, left, exhale down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. Other side, left, inhale up, right, down, left, inhale up, right, exhale down, left, up, right, down, and bring the head back to central. Slowly open your eyes. Next, hand to your shoulder level with the palm upward. Now inhale and exhale, bend your hand like this. Your hand touch your shoulder. Inhale out, exhale bend. Inhale out, exhale bend. Inhale out, exhale bend. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now hold your hand to your shoulder and start to roll the shoulder like this. Inhale and exhale, elbow in front. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Inhale, exhale. 3, 2, and 1. Now change to another side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Very good. Continue. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, and bring the hand down. Now inhale, bring the arms up, chin up, look up. Exhale, hand down, touch the mat and chin down to the chest. Inhale, arms up, head up. Exhale, hand down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 4. Inhale up. Exhale down. 5. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now inhale, bring your arm to your shoulder level. And exhale, bend to the right, right hand down, left hand up, head up. The left hand near your ear. Inhale back to center and exhale left. 2, inhale back, exhale right. Inhale back, exhale left. 3, inhale back and exhale right and hold here. Every time you exhale, you try to bend down more as much as you can, and you can bring your elbow down if you can and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale back and exhale left. Continue and hold here. You can bend your elbow down if you can. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand to right knee, right hand behind your back. Inhale back and exhale left. 2, inhale back, exhale right. Inhale back, exhale left. 3, inhale back, exhale right, and hold. Every time you exhale, you try to twist deeper to the right. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale back, exhale left. Same breathe and hold. Every time exhale, you twist deeper as you can. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back. Exhale, hand down and stretch your legs out like this. Now we will work with your legs. Shake your legs a little bit. Hand behind your back. Keep your back straight like this. And now, with inhale, stretch your toes out like this, all the way out as you can. And exhale, toe in toward the body. Inhale out, exhale back. Inhale, exhale back. And as you can see, you can lift your heels up a little bit like this. Kick your heels outside. Inhale, toes out. Exhale back, heels out. Continue. 3, 2, and 1. Now open your feet out a little bit and try to roll around your ankle like this. Roll. Very good. Now we change the side. Okay, then come back. Now stretch the body up and then bend the right leg and hold with your hand. Hold your thigh with your hand like this and a little bit bend back. Keep your back straight. Lift the right leg up and then we roll from the knees. Roll like this, the circle as big as you can. Very good. 3, 2, and 1. Now another side. The circle you do as big as you can. Remember to keep your back straight. Okay, very good. Now change the leg. Now stretch the right leg and bend your left. Hold the thigh with your hand like this and lift the leg up and start to roll from the knees. The circle as big as you can. Remember to keep your back straight. Very good. Now change another side. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Bring the legs down and then bring the sole of the feet together like this. Hold the toe with your hand like this. Keep your chest up. Straight your back and start to shake your legs. You shake as much as you can hear the legs make sound whenever it hit the mat. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down, stop, and then bring your hands to your knees like this. Keep the back straight. Inhale, and with exhale, use your hand to push your knees down. Inhale, exhale, put it down a little bit. Inhale, And exhale, put it down a little bit more like this. Inhale and exhale a little bit down more. Push it down more a little bit. Keep your back straight. And you bend forward as you can. Bring the awareness to your hip. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Inhale, come back and bring your feet a little bit far from your body like this. Now inhale, hand up, and exhale, bend forward a little bit. Bring your hands down. Inhale, chest up, and exhale a little bit, bend down more as much as you can, and keep your back straight. Inhale, exhale down. Every time you exhale, you try to bring your body down toward the ground more as much as you can. Keep your back straight and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, bring your hand behind your back like this. The finger pointing forward like this. I will sit this side so you can see. Now inhale, chest up, chin up, and arch your back. Look up like this. And if you can, inhale, hip up like this. Lift your hip up as high as you can. And hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale down. And then come to child pose. Like this. Relax in child pose. Now inhale, put your body up to your tabletop. Hand under the shoulder and knees under your hip. Very good. Now inhale, chest up, chin up, and arch your back. Exhale, belly in and roll your back, chin to the chest. Inhale, chest up, arch your back. Exhale, belly in, roll your back. Inhale, chest up, chin up, arch your back. Exhale, belly in, roll your back and chin down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale back to tabletop and slowly bring the right legs out. Heels out. Focus in one point. And slowly bring the left arms out. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. Now change to the side. Slowly bring your left legs out. Point your heels out. And slowly bring your right arms out. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. Very good. And go to trial pose. Relax in here. Head down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale, come back and sit down to your heels. And sit quietly. Close your eyes, straight your back, and sit quietly for a few minutes. Relax. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Aware to your breath. With deep inhale, the stomach rise up. And exhale slowly, your stomach rise down. Inhale, stomach goes up. Exhale, slowly goes down. Breathe normal. Then palm together and wrap your hands. Make your hands warm and bring your hands to your face, to your eyes. Feel the warmth from your hands. And slowly open your eyes, look to your hands. Then slowly bring your hands far from your face. And bring your hand down, palm together. Thank you very much to join with me today. I hope to see you soon in my channel Yoga by Loan. Please visit my channel and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you and Namaste.